Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Beth, and how are you doing? I am having a wonderful day. It is Friday, and I get to wear my jeans because today at the office every Friday is Jean Day for the Cancer Survivors Day. So we pitch in $5, whoever wears jeans, and it's for the survivors of cancer victims that had cancer. So I'm on here today to show you my simple summer look. Very simple. I don't want to put too much product on while I'm out and about in the heat. It's, you know, for me, 80 degrees or even high 70s, it's hot for me. Because here in Connecticut, we get down pretty low in the winter. So our bodies are not used to the heat because all of a sudden it just gets hot. Quite fast because we've been like dipping and up and down. So I don't like to put foundation on and all that. So the first thing I'm going to put on is I still have some left, is the Touch Gloria Face Primer. So I'm going to put that on all over my face. I just put a little dab. I love this stuff. I even have, I think, another tube. I used to sell Unique, and they really have a lot of nice products. I love it. So that's my favorite. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is just put this all over my eyes, right here, and spread it around on my cheeks because I have a lot of redness. And I don't want to put foundation to make it more layering because of the summer. So I'm just going to use this. So it's a little on the light side, but right now I don't even have a tan or nothing. So what I'm going to do is just pat it underneath here. Let me take this and wipe my finger off. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and just go around, go on my nose, because got a lot of this redness, blotchiness going on. And it used to be where it looked like I had rosy cheeks, but now it was actually getting blotchy right here. So I'm just kind of, you know, it hides it a little bit. It doesn't look so bad. I don't want to put foundation on and all that in the summertime. You know, my everyday look, going to the office and stuff like that. So this is by Joah, Joah. This has been very good too. I like that. I wanted to try that out. So I'm going to put on this Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24 Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. So you always, when you do some eyeshadows, always put, and it has a little bit of like a pigment to it, which is cool, but you just want to put that on there because you don't want your eyeshadow to be all creasy. So I just put a little on there. I dab it around there right now. There you go. Very simple. Now I'm going to take this palette. It's a Nightingale palette. Got it in one of my subscription boxes. And I used Silver Spoon yesterday, which was, I loved it so much. And I'll do a swatch for you. It's like a grayish, dark gray. It's really cool. I like it. So I'm just gonna put, I know it's dark for the summer, but I switch it up different colors, but I just put a line, like a thin line. This is what I do for the summer. Just put a thin line. Don't go crazy on putting it anywhere else. I just put a thin line. That's it. Because for me, I sweat easy. I don't want my makeup sweating all over the place, and it's just easier to just put a little color, not, you know, a little something there. See, just a little line just to have there. And then you could, that's all I'm going to put. Okay, that's it. And then I take this and do any touch-ups. Because I'm not the steadiest hand in the world. So I just kind of touch it up with this because it has like foundation or cover up on it. So the next thing I like is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm falling in love with this. This is like my holy grail now. I just love it. I can't help it, but this makes my lashes so big. And it's so nice. And for me, a lot of people, oh, what the heck is going on with that? Look like I have a hair sticking out. So look at how nice that is compared to this. I just love this. And this is a smaller tube. I do have a bigger tube that I got. Really awesome. Look at that. Sometimes it's hard to apply because I'm right-handed and I have to cross over. Look at how gorgeous. And sometimes I do get a little up on top by the eyeshadow. So I go like this, touch it up. Just a little touch up. I love this. Look at it. That's all you need. You got your eyelashes, you got a little color. You know, you can do any color, especially I have this palette which is, I think, from Tarte. Let me see, am I getting it on above? From Tarte, and it has blues and stuff. Just put just a little line. It gives it a little pop, and you're not overdoing it. And the next thing I like using, I never really do my brows ever, and I started doing them because I liked how they looked a little darker, especially when you have darker hair. So I've been using this LA Girl Brow Kit. It looks like a little tin. It has a little brush. It did have like little tweezers, but I don't use them. But I use this color right here. And I take this little spoolie and I just kind of comb my brows out. I have kind of thick brows. And I've been loving this. And it's not expensive at all. I just brush them on. Nothing fancy. Very easy. Look at that. I love it. I love how it fills in the gap. And if you mess up, you just kind of, it's because it's powdery, you're not setting it yet. Look at that. I might put a little more in here. So because I see a little craziness going on over there. Oh, what the heck? Get off of there. I think I should have done probably my brows first. No, it got stuck on my lid. That's weird. Well, my eyes, you know, slouch down, so you don't really see it that much. Okay, good enough. I'm not that picky, but so look at my eye. I love this. Am I getting it all? I don't think I even got it all. Let me see. Because my hair is so light. So the next thing I do is use the wax that's in the pan and just go over it to wax them down to stay. And then I use the highlighter. It's right here. And I'll show you just to go underneath the brow a little bit. Just to make it a little high. So I'll show you. The wax is right here. And the highlighter is right here. I mean, how great that is. I love it. So I'm going to show you how my eyebrows look. I love it. I really, really love it. And the next thing I do is I love this palette that I got in one of my subscription boxes. And I'm going to use Scorcher, this one. I really love that one. I'm not going to use highlight or anything like that, just a little bit of this to give me a little color. That's it. That's all. Easy peasy. And that's it. That's my finished look. And of course, if I want lips, I can put lips, but usually it depends. In the warm weather, I don't really use lipstick that much, only if I'm going out somewhere special. But if I'm going out somewhere real special, I will use foundation and the whole works. But this is my simple daily look in the summer. Simple. I'm going to work. I look refreshed. I don't look like I'm dying or half dead. So there it is. And I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel. And I love you all, and have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.